and Friday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 40s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast. Friday night, partly cloudy.
Here we go!
Lows in the lower 30s. Saturday.
These guys are about to test now.
Saturday night. This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station EAS 42 Covington, Kentucky public warning system. Lows during potentially dangerous weather situations. Mostly sunny. Receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Clear in the evening, then becoming signal and receivers' performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. Highs in the mid-50s. If there is a threat of severe weather, here are the 11 a.m. postponed to the next available good weather day. Northern Kentucky International Airport under cloudy skies. The temperature was 25 degrees and relative humidity 70%. The wind west, noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Ohio: at Lexington, Brown, Butler, Claremont, Clinton, Hamilton,
Wait,
Highland,
why are you activating? Oh, there it goes.
Kentucky, Boone, Bracken, Campbell, Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Kenton, Mason, Owen, Pendleton, and Robertson. And finally, in Indiana, Dearborn, Fayette, Franklin, Ohio. This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. This concludes the weekly signal weather test of the weather radio station KZZ 48 Allentown, Kentucky public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. The current tests of the signal and receivers' performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Kentucky: Carroll, Franklin, Gallatin, Grant, Harrison, Henry, Pendleton, Owen, Scott, and Shelby. And in Indiana, Switzerland. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KZZ 48 Allentown, Kentucky. Here are the 11 a.m. weather conditions. And at Louisville, it's partly sunny with a 25.
Maybe.
It was cloudy with a temperature of 28 at Shelbyville, 23 at North Vernon, and 26 at Louisville. Elsewhere across Indiana and South Bend, snow is falling with a temp. This is the National Weather Service Office in Indianapolis. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning system on weather radio station WWG-73. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Decatur, Jackson, Jennings, Johnson, Ripley, Scott, and Shelby. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WWG-73.